Hey, what's up? Today I have with me the Peradix chess and checkers set. I got this from Amazon. It's a wooden and magnetic chess and checkers set. So we'll be unboxing it and I'll be sharing how's the quality and all, so that you can decide whether you can go with this brand or something else. Alright, we have the specifications here. Okay, so they have different models listed here. You can go through them. And we have this basic rules, warranty, covers 12 months warranty. Okay, that's cool. So you can even join their VIP club at peradix.com. They are on Instagram and Facebook. That's cool. Alright, nice packaging. Keep this aside. You need this box to store this. I don't want to have any scratches on the surface. I got this from Amazon UK because Ireland doesn't have its own Amazon, and it cost me around £27 I think after the discount. There was some offer going on. Yeah, it looks quite good at first glance. As you can see, quite good finish, curved borders, nice latch, alphabets and numbers. Let me see if it's visible. Yeah. Alright, let's open it up. Ooh, that's cool. I like this cushion, this casing for all the... Oh, I don't see a magnet here. Does it have a magnet? Oh yeah, it does. Oh, no, I don't think so. Yeah, find it out. So then only the chess pieces have magnet, maybe. Let's check it out. Which has magnet and which hasn't. Yeah, there's a... Not that powerful, but yeah. There's a magnet. And these... No. The checkers pieces, they don't have any magnet. I think on the Amazon page, they did say that both of them have. I'll check it again. So these are just normal wooden pieces. No magnet. Only the chess, but the quality and finish, I quite like it. So not bad. There's felt as well at the bottom to prevent scratches. There's no felt here, so no scratch while playing chess, but you can scratch while playing checkers. Alright, yeah, they have given 2 queens. Yeah, queens are extra. Kings are just 1. They say that it's all handmade, but I doubt it. Maybe they are. So the pieces are quite good. I'll show you finally whether the board is flat or not, because I saw few of the customers complaining about this, or a few of the reviews on Amazon, so I'll find that out now. And also one more thing, so let's say if I am playing checkers, do I need to still take out the pieces for chess, or I can maybe use it without taking it out? No, it's not flat if I don't take out the pieces, so I think I have to take out everything. Oh, but No, the pieces are well inside this wooden frame. It shouldn't be uneven. It should be flat. So let me try it again. Okay, yeah, it is flat. It's just that I need to put some weight on it to make it flat. Yeah. Yeah, so you don't need to take out the pieces of chess if you just want to play checkers. So you can just play, so that's nice. I think the same would be for chess as well. So when you play chess, want to play chess, you don't need to take out checkers. Let's see if that's the case. No, but this bulges out a bit more than these pieces, so I think you have to take out these pieces to play chess. But that's fine, it's easily, you can take it out. The chess is a messy one because you have to individually take each and every piece out. That's time taking. But checkers, you can just hold and take it out and play your chess. Yeah, that's good, no problem there. What else? There's some marks here already. 2 holes, minor imperfection. 2 holes here, 2 holes there. But overall, I like the finish. It's quite nice. Yeah, quite nice. Let me measure the height. Sorry, I don't have the measuring tape near me. Sorry about that. But how do I measure it? It does say, like, I guess this is 7 centimeters, around 7. So yeah, it does look like that. Yeah. The pieces are lovely. They are not that heavy, but they are good quality. Yes. So I would recommend them. It's just that these don't have magnets. Otherwise, yeah, it's quite nice. Not bad. So it's like 35 centimeter by 35. This wood is thick. They have this thing, the velvet cloth, to protect your table. Yeah, it's slightly bulging out, but I think it won't. Yeah, it's not a big deal. Maybe I'll take out the felt here and then test it out. 1 second. Yeah. So flat surface. Yeah. So if you see here, there's a gap, but at the top, there's no gap. Just here, if you see, there's some gap here, but I think they've cut the wood maybe slightly thin, this portion, to make it straight. Yeah. Cool. No problems there. Alright, short video. I hope you got an idea about this Peradix chess and checker set. And if you like it, I'll drop a link below, the Amazon link, and you can use that to purchase. Cool. See you in the next one. Bye bye.